Alright, today guys, I'll be showing you how to turn on and off your drone and the RC controller. So first we have here the drone itself, and on the left side we have here the DJI RC controller. So we start with the drone. First thing first, you have to make sure that the gimbal protector is detached from the drone before powering it on, because when you power it on, the gimbal will automatically move, so we don't want the gimbal will be damaged. So okay, so the gimbal protector is off, and now to power it on the drone, we only need to press 1 and then twice and hold for 2 seconds, and you will hear the device sound. Okay, to power it off, we have to do the same procedure. Press once and then second, hold for 2 seconds, and then it's off. That's so easy to follow. So before storing them, put back the gimbal protector and then store it away. And here we have here the RC controller, so it's the same procedure. To power it on, press 1 and then twice, hold for 2 seconds, boom, it's on. So we have to wait for the device to start. Okay, now it's on and then it's ready for use. To turn it off, we have to do the same procedure. Press once and then twice, hold for 2 seconds, boom, it's off. Okay, I will show you again how to find out how much battery left on your device, on your DJI RC. If you want to know the charge of the battery, just press the power button once, then it says here the indicator, the green, so that means that the RC controller is full charged. And same thing with the drone, you just need to press the power button once and then you will see it's fully charged. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you guys like this video and consider subscribing for more videos. Peace.